Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we will talk about ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Environment of an organism consists of all the living and non-living things around that organisms. These living and non-living things affect the life of organisms in one way or the other. All the organisms depend on each other and on non-living things in an environment. So viewers, let's talk about ecosystem. A system formed by the interaction of living organisms and non-living things in an environment is called an ecosystem. An ecosystem may be large, like a desert, or small, like a decaying log. Deserts, seashores, rivers, mountains, oceans, grasslands, and rainforests are also some examples of ecosystem. So, all ecosystems are made of two parts. The first one is living or biotic part and the second is non-living or abiotic part. All the plants, animals, fungi and microorganisms make the living or biotic part of their ecosystem. Air, water, soil, sunlight and temperature make the non-living or abiotic part of the ecosystem. I hope so you understood the simple concept about ecosystem and their different parts of ecosystem. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.